Look what I picked up in a charity shop. No, not the wheels. This bad boy. But yeah, don't forget about that. But look at it. What do you think I'm going to turn this into? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's a fat bastard on a thing! I didn't quite push myself far enough there, did I? Hello and welcome to another Budget and Lego video. Yes, we are turning this two-chested drawer thingy-me-bob into a seat. You know them seat with wheels that you can, especially if you're polishing a car, you're doing something low, you're not on a lift, and you just want to sit down with wheels and you can polish your car, you can do all sorts. They're quite expensive. The ones I've been looking at are like 100 euros, 150 euros. And they don't really have drawers. They have a few little cubby holes. I think I've seen one with a drawer, but it's very, very small. I went into a charity shop and I saw this bad boy. And then I saw the price. So I said to the guy, I said, look, I know we all make mistakes, mate. And obviously you put the wrong price on this because, I mean, seriously, it's fucking ridiculous. And I got it for 25 quid. So 25 quid is worth it. Two big heavy duty drawers. It really is a solid thing. And it's on these big huge kind of rubber blocks. So what I decided to do for another, I think these were like, was it 20 euros, 25 euros? I got these casters. You might remember them from the old Myford Super 7 skate. And these are going to be perfect. I'm just unsure whether I'm going to put them on the bottom of this or do I take off the leg? But let's find out. Right, I've taken the drawer off, just these two little clips. I want you to see how thick the wood was. And it is really quite thick. And then we've got these feet. I think it's just going to be too high if I actually leave it on here. I could screw the wheels onto the bottom of this, but I just think it's going to be a bit too high. So once that's gone, I think that should be strong enough. I don't see why it wouldn't be. And I know I'm a fat git, but if I also put the wheels, where are they? If I always put the wheels here on this corner, it will also, the weight will transfer through there rather than just on the flat. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Well, I think it's going to be a great little bloody stool wheelie thingy me jiggy. Let me get all them off. These are me Franklin tools. Love them. They're really good and they're cheap. But in my old shed, look, fucking gone rusty. Got so much shit destroyed in my old place. Fucking joke. This new place is good though. Anyway, do you know what the really funny thing is? I bet there's someone out there that's missing one of these or throwing away a thing because I just need them, but you can't buy them, and I'm going to throw them away most probably because I don't need them. It's funny how that works, isn't it? Anywho, we've got it off, and like I said, if I can get two screws into there, it will put a lot of weight onto this part, which comes down there, which hopefully won't smash the bottom, because I'm a fat git. Typical, innit? I'm test driving a vehicle that I did a few bits on, and I was like, I think I need to drill pilot holes. I'll get away with it. And no, I'm not going to. I didn't think so. But I got 3 bolts on there now at the minute. And this is the first time I've ever used the bolts that come with wheels. I've just never used them. Anyway, I'm just going to have to leave that one, drill a pilot hole, especially for the other ones. But 3 in it, in each of them should be, but it's even bulging up that. I kind of had a feeling it would. It's gone into these okay. Anyway, let me continue. Right, last wheel. I'm only putting 2 screws in because I don't want to break that even more until I get a drill. But to be honest, I most probably never will put them in anyway. But it's still supporting, it's still going down on it. As you can see, I'm using the correct tools. It's very important to use the longest screwdriver you can find to put these screws in. And funnily enough, do you know the reason? Do you actually genuinely know the reason why longing screwdrivers were invented? And I'll give you a clue. It's not because you want to feed a screw a long way into a hole and screw it. That's not the reason. You can use it for that, but that's not the reason why they were made. Why isn't that going in? This is difficult. I just got all the others in, no problem. Didn't film it. Now I turn the camera on. This one is being a bastard. What the fuck? I don't even think they're wood screws, to be honest. But for what I need, it's going to be fine. Let's get the welder out. Metal and wood weld together, don't they? With a MIG. I've got 100% argon. I'm sure there's some wire out there that'll work. Right! See what it looks like. I bet the person who threw that away, well, not threw it away, gave it to a charity shop, was like, no one's going to use it. No thing for it. Now they're looking at it, it's got some wheels on and they are fucking jealous. They want it. What we have to do, we have to think of a name for this bad boy. So put it down in the description. What should we call him, her? What should we call him? Does it work? Hold on, before I sit down to make sure. Get me in camera. Right, are you ready? Does it work? Is it going to completely fall when I sit next time I fat git? First bit done. Nice. Next bit. Oh look, we have a big drawer. Oh, but wait. We have two. Oh, I pushed it too far. There we go. Right, but the reason why I wanted this, so when I'm buffing or polishing a car, I can go, oh yeah! It works! I mean, you know, just what amuses a simple mind, hey? Charity shop reject, well not charity shop reject, reject from a person who put it to a charity shop. He's now in my workshop. Fucking love it. So it's a drawer, it's a seat, it's a Superman machine, bit of green screen, you know. Here we go. I absolutely bloody love it, and we've got some locks on it in case you find yourself rolling down a hill or something and you can get dizzy on it for like, I don't know, I don't think it was like 45 euros or something. I know someone's going to say, oh well, you can get a proper one cheaper than that. Yeah you can, but I guarantee you one thing, it hasn't got two big bastard drawers like this, has it? And it's not a Superman machine and it can't take my fat bastard weight, so fuck you. I love it. It's going to be great. And no doubt I'm just going to put absolute shit in it. And then I'm going to forget where I put it and then be looking for it and all that. So I'm just going to kind of maybe try and keep this to more bodywork stuff. I suppose it would be handy for anything. I bloody love it though. So remember, put down in the old description what we should call it. And before anyone says anything, that last shot where you couldn't see my face, that was done on purpose. That was framed on purpose. I didn't just set the camera up and not realise where I was looking or where it was set. So yeah, completely and utterly done on purpose. But like I said, I mean, just look. Whee! Oh, I love it. I really do. Right, people, we've got other stuff coming very, very soon. We need to make more stuff, more benches for my two times 72 grinder belt thingy. We've got lots of tools here for my milling machines and lathes, from tools for you. Loads and loads of stuff in here. I got it all. That's already mine. But I got all this in like a bulk buy. They sell on stuff on eBay all the time. Has bulk stuff, so I've got to go through it all. I don't even know what half of this stuff does. Like, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. If you haven't seen my other videos, you'll know I've got lots of other machinery. This first ever lathe I brought, never even used it, and I've sold it. This is my big Myford milling machine. Haven't used that either. That's my Super 7. Haven't used that, and I've sold it. But yeah, so stay tuned for. Oh, here's my crane. Brought a hook as well. I'm upgrading the crane. Just want it to be, even though it's perfect, just, you know, want to put stronger things on it, make it lift more. And I saw that little hook, and I was like, I can get a bigger hook than that. Went to get a 6-ton hook. Didn't really know the size of it, and yeah, a little bit bigger than the other one. Oh, people. Anyway, look, hope it helps. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, links up here, links down below. But most important, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted. Superman.